my gosh!
The young lizard. Yeah.
Oh, where did it go?
Beautiful.
Wow.
Stick your finger in there. He's trying to, oh, he's trying to bite.
Carter, let it go!
Bye.
Well, we thought yesterday was our last day of official pre-practice, and then we got an email last night after we went to the restaurant, stayed up late, and found out we got one more day of practice. So it's 11 o'clock the next day. We had some things we had to do this morning. Got Miranda with me.
Hello.
So we're gonna go out today. We got one more day of practice. We're gonna be out here for about 6 hours. See if we can find some bass.
You can see it?
See? See him up on the bank? See that dark kind of black object that's up right on the bank? Right.
That thing's
head's right here.
big.
See his head?
Yeah. Oh, he's big.
He's got a big humpback like that one.
He's like laying on his side. Oh my gosh.
I see a big fish on this bed right here.
That's a big gator.
He
I can't believe he's just chilling like that. I figured he'd swim off.
Can I hit him in the head with my bait?
I don't know.
I saw a fish take off from this bed, but I don't know if it was a...
I hate to disturb him. Don't think he cares.
He's gonna care in a minute.
You're gonna hit me in the head with the bait.
Right in the head. He don't even care. I guess we can get closer if he's gonna let you do that.
I don't want him getting in the boat. Fishing balance beam.
Can't see my bait. I would think though that means that fish, likely nobody else has seen him. They ain't no fish for like it. Oh, that's the male. I didn't even know that was there. I was just sitting down there twitching it around waiting to see the big one swim up. And I felt a bite, so I jerked. I gotta put this back because there's an absolute behemoth of a female hanging out with that guy. Look how pretty he is. He got spots all over him.
He's pretty.
That might fire that female up though. She might be ready to bite now.
It's a baby. He's tiny. Aww. Ooh, he didn't like that. Ooh.
See how mean they are?
They are aggressive. Ooh, he's coming after it. Oh my gosh! Don't hook him.
Another one swimming underneath him, I think. Oh.
Ah, he went after the little leaf pad. They are cute.
I thought I saw the other one.
You just see gas from the bottom?
Oh yeah, watch that big one.
Oh! Oh! Oh, I'm missing it. Yeah.
That one hit the yum lizard. Yeah, look at the hook just fell out. Yeah, yum lizard. It's a good, and I could see the bed, and I could see a dark spot, and then the dark spot swam over somewhat near where my bait was, and picked it up, and it had it. So,
Nice.
pretty good one.
Yeah.
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 I probably know that fish by name. It's right off their dock. Nope, that was the female.
Little one.
That was the female, and that's the male.
That's the male. You little.
Caught the girl first and the boy second. Ladies first, right?
That's right.
Here it comes.
Oh, where did it go?
big one. You can see he lays there quite often. Look how flat the camera is. Let's see if I can see that on my side scan. Oh, he's hauling. This one's hauling, covering some ground. Oh, this is going to be on my side scan. It's going to be on my... We're running over.
Hitting.
Or whatever, and Ranger just sat there and watched him and watched him and watched him.
Come on.
Get out of there, little guy. Thought he was little bitty, but he ain't little bitty bitty.
Yeah. He's little medium.
It's a little female, I guess.
Medium.
Medium. He's the yum lizard again. Oh, God.
Good one?
God, he hit it so hard, I got excited. Thought I'd got me a good one.
I'm a third.
And I got me a third. Boy, you hit it hard.
Oh, phone.
Don't worry about it. Ain't that little booyah trap. Little guy. Look at that.
Bunch of them.
They're back.
Feed them?
Yeah, 2 of them. Feed them. Like,
Perhaps they don't like your bait.
one just thumped it and I missed him.
Can't do that either, huh?
Got it.
Dang. Big one? Is that a keeper?
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
They come up schooling right here. We can't hardly buy a bite offshore. And then they come up schooling right in front of us. And I threw out there and I had one hit it and he missed it and kept reeling it and caught another one on the thumping dinger.
Thumping dinger!
It's good. There he is. I mean, a monster. But how hard have we fished? We motored up, we fished, nothing. We motored up, we fished, nothing. We motored up, we fished. Finally.
Bacteria free.
Oh my God.
Big one?
Holy cow. That was a super hard bite. I want to see if I can get him to hit something different. Wow. That like ripped the arm. Ripped my arm off now. Arm ripper. See how aggressive they are. There he is, first get.
Stumbled upon him.
Tell me, if it, you just gotta be in the right spot. They'll hit whatever bait you throw. They're not the right size. Ouch.
So that's not a keeper?
They're keepers.
Yeah, but you could at least get your limit really quick.
Yeah, if they stay put. But, golly. They are mean out there, man.
Oh, he came off. He's still,
Huh?
he was still jumping.
Yeah, he thought he still had to get away. There they are. Golly. You're kidding me. That's just, oh, there's so many out there. I mean, there's some giant ones too.
Huge!
There's one way up there. In the water ski.
Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, top.
Booyah. Oh, I popped it out of the grass.
One after another, there.
No, but I'm trying to see if there's any size whatsoever in them.
I'm
So,
gonna guess not so much.
no, you
For
maybe
bite size.
I can prove you wrong. Hopefully. There you go. There.
Whoa.
bigger than the last couple. Ain't saying much. Well, we found a little school out here, but it's a little school. But could turn into big ones. It is unfortunate. I have found the biggest school of little ones ever. There it is. Easy. That's how you tear up the worm. Cool. Got him that time. Little mean guy. Little mean bugger. Missed him the first time. We got him the second time on the thumping dinger. Right over our head. This is kind of close.
Yeah. I feel like that was close.
That was close. Big pile of it. Oh, that's a fish. I thought for sure I'd already hooked up a pile of it right off the bat. No matter where I go, I got the big ones. Oh, God! Wasn't the one that jumped, that blew up there a second ago. Oh, easy there, buddy. That looked kind of skinny. Might be a little pickerel. Be careful here. I'll take my bait. Look, honey. Little baby pickerel.
Aww. That's what we ate the other day?
Yep. Might have been that size too.
Probably, yeah. What we ate, I would say so. That's cute.
Go away. Go. Go, are you serious? Oh my God. Go, are you? What in the world? Got it. How many times are they gonna hit it? They're gonna have like 4 bites that cast. Well, he ate it head first too.
Whoa! He came off.
He did. Got a jerkbait bass. And there's a lot of bait. There he is. Little guy. Mean one hooked in the top of the noggin. Getting my Doritos wet.
Sunset.
It's beautiful. So pretty.
Bigger. Out here in the middle now. I was just about to say, I saw a big one swimming at me from over there. I was gonna really make a catch.
They are aggressive. Oh my God.
Oh, it's a baby. Oh, it's a needlefish. It's a needlefish. That's a big needlefish.
Needlefish.
I've never caught
Whoa.
a needlefish.
Wow.
Wow, look at him chomp on that thing. Look at the teeth on that booger.
Ugh.
He's mean.
How are you gonna get that out?
I don't know.
Do you need these pliers down here?
I've never caught a needlefish.
Wow, he's cool.
I feel like he has the capability of flipping his head and really causing some problems.
He's definitely got some
His
teeth.
nose is long enough he could fling him. Look at the bite he does. Yeah.
Look at that. And hold him up.
That crazy thing.
Wow. Wow.
Stick your finger in there.
Heck no.
Look, you just caught a big old needlefish. Wow. What in the world? It's like he's trying to, oh, he's trying to bite me.
Carter, let him go.
Wow, I'm kind of scared to let him go.
Ah!
Wow.
Let's not catch another one of those.
So we're gonna end on a needlefish, and it's getting dark and beautiful sunset, so we gotta head back. But that now for sure is the end of pre-practice. We now have a couple weeks off. Miranda and I are gonna go do some fun stuff, so look for some adventure videos coming next. And I don't know what we're gonna do, but we got a lot of ideas, so you just have to wait and see what we go do.
Yeah.
What do you think? You have fun?
This was a good day.
It's pretty.
Yeah, it was nice out.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so.
I like the needlefish catch. That was my favorite.
That was awesome.
Yeah.
So thanks for watching our Hitching and Fishing page. Click like, click subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Bye.